squeeze into a thin 8.1 body, which only weighs about 176 grams. In other words, the phone is fun to play with and feels just right in your hands. So basically, slim and light, packed with versatile cameras, a large battery with supercharged charging, and a reliable and strong performer in the processor. This is going to be the device for many of you. Now we've talked about the Realme 8 Pro. Let's check out what we have in store for the Realme 8. Just like the Realme 8 Pro, the Realme 8 also comes with trendy infinite bold design. The phone comes in two colors, Cyber Silver and Cyber Black. The first thing that comes to mind for a lot of people when they see the design is just how cool it is. That it evokes sort of a sci-fi futuristic style. It's unlike any phone in its category, I can assure you that. This is the first time we've introduced a digitally inspired design on our smartphone. The phone was created through a split design and splicing process to give the digital world a visual form. Well, why should pros have all the fun, right? In this unique futuristic digital design, on the left is the real world as we see it, while on the right is the mysterious digital world. The dynamic integration of these elements is a fusion of these two worlds, and these can now be seen in the palm of your hands. The Realme 8 also features a superb light and thin feel, with a weight of only 177 grams and a thickness of even less than 8 mm. I mean, you guys might just think that I'm playing with you when I tell that there is a massive 5000 mAh battery inside this thin form factor. In fact, it is the slimmest and lightest phone in the world so far with a 5000 mAh battery. Best of both worlds, right? Once you get it in your hands and see the slim and infinite future digital style, I'm afraid you might not want to let go of this beauty. Now let's turn our optics to its optics. The Realme 8 features a 64 megapixel AI quad camera, which includes the 64 megapixel primary camera with an advanced and mature tuning solution to ensure clarity in day and night, along with the ultra wide angle lens, ultra macro lens, and the black and white portrait lens. The amazing features on the Realme 8 Pro we introduced, like the Starry mode and the tilt shift, are also available on the Realme 8 for you to take the dazzling starry sky and dreamlike shots. Stylistic features including neon portrait, dynamic bokeh, new AI portrait, along with a variety of selfie portraits are also there to enhance your ability to take wonderful portrait shots. The dual view video feature allows you to take funny and interesting short videos, and the UIS Max video stabilization provides the users the ability to record stable and smooth videos on the move. Combined with cinema mode, it easily helps you shoot vlogs in a very cinematic style. The Realme 8 camera will definitely be your friend, helping you flaunt your lifestyle to the world, all the while capturing precious moments of your life. If you recall, I just mentioned how the AMOLED display on the 7 Pro was a huge success, which strengthened our faith in the wonderful value it brings to our users. So yes, you may have already guessed it from my cheeky tone, but the Realme 8 is also equipped with a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display for the first time in its lineup, enabling it to support an always-on display with a fast unlocking light-sensitive in-display scanner. With the in-display unlocking option, you can effortlessly unlock your phone in the most convenient manner with just a natural touch on the screen. The Realme 8 features a full HD resolution with a touch sampling rate of up to 180 Hz and sunlight mode with a peak brightness of 1000 nits. The display also includes eye protection features like DC light dimming and anti-flicker in low brightness. The Realme 8 features 30-watt dart charge capable of charging a 5000 mAh battery in just shy of 60 minutes, which is about 65 minutes to be precise. This classic combination can satisfy your daily usage with confidence and has been widely appreciated by millions of Realme number series users. Our 30-watt charging shows clear improvements over other 22.5-watt, 33-watt, and even other fast charge solutions at the same price. And of course, the 5-dimension charge protection means that you'll never have to worry about safety. The phone's massive 5000 mAh battery keeps the Realme 8 going for 40 days on standby and 10 hours while playing games continuously. In super power saving mode, the phone can last up to 2 days with just 5% of charge. App Quick Freeze, Sleep Standby Optimization, and other battery optimization features, along with reverse charging to charge other phones on smart devices, won't be missing on the Realme 8 for sure. The Realme 8 continues with the same MediaTek Helio G95, which is one of the most powerful 4G processors in its price segment. To give you a quick recap, the MediaTek Helio G95 is made up of 2 large A75 cores and 6 A55 cores clocked up to 2.05 GHz, and a quad-core Mali G76 GPU, which makes it capable of handling high-end games with ease like Free Fire or Call of Duty. To have a better cooling effect, we've used the efficient copper liquid cooling technology, which improves the cooling efficiency by 14.4% compared to the Realme 7. To cater to your demands, the Realme 8 will also come with the Realme UI 2.0 out of the box. And the Hi-Res audio certification ensures the ultimate audio-visual experience for all movie and music lovers. Let's watch a recap video of the versatile, all-new Realme 8.
Realme 8. In style, capture infinity. Realme, dare to leap.
To conclude, the Realme 8 is a fantastic all-rounder featuring a high-grade 64-megapixel AI quad camera with futuristic design, 30-watt dart charge, a massive 5000 mAh battery, which is in such a slim design, the powerful MediaTek Helio G95 processor, and a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display. Alright, so that's a wrap on our Realme 8 series smartphones. Are you ready for some cool AIoT products? Let's start with our first product, the Realme Smart Scale. Realme believes a healthy lifestyle is one of the most important aspects of a trend-setting smart life. To be able to accurately manage your weight, you need a smart and accurate body fat scale. Introducing the Realme Smart Scale. Realme Smart Scale adopts a high-precision BIA sensor which can obtain information about your body by using a professional algorithm that includes body fat, muscle, and other aspects. Such is the precision of the highly sensitive BIA sensor that it can detect a small 50-gram change in the body weight, which means that it can also recognize if you've had a couple of glasses of water or a few apples. You will be amazed to know that the Realme Smart Scale can detect 16 different health-related data that includes BMI, muscle mass, body age, and many others. These data points give you a comprehensive picture of your body and share valuable information for you to check the health condition of your body. You can also measure body fat percentage, that is a key factor to gauging your fitness levels. Different data points can help you understand which part of your body needs more work, so that you can start working towards building a healthier body. The scale will definitely help you on your journey of getting fit. Measuring the weight of a person is only the most basic feature. The Realme Smart Scale also supports real-time heart rate monitoring. The Realme Smart Scale, as I mentioned, can accurately measure weight starting from 0.05 kg or 50 grams up to 9.99 kg. It is also a great way to weigh your pets or even some small fruits, as you can see. The Realme Smart Scale runs on 4 AA batteries, and I'm glad to tell you that when you buy a new Realme Smart Scale, or let's say it arrived on your door, you don't have to run out to buy new batteries because we give them in the box. With the battery and super high power efficiency, you can use the Realme Smart Scale without changing the battery for around 360 days. So with the in-box battery, you're all set for an entire year. The scale is equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology, which allows it to quickly connect to the Realme Link app to sync your body data and generate data reports. The scale also supports connecting up to 4 smartphones, making it a smart scale for all your family and their needs. Moving on to the last product of today. You have these light bulb moments when you think of a new product or a new idea. Well, we had one of those. Only this time, it's actually a light bulb. Introducing the all-new Realme Smart Bulb, a new device to bring your home to life. The Realme Smart Bulb supports 16 million colors and a wide range of color temperatures from crisp, cool shades to warmer tones. The light is precisely controlled by a special dimmer chip which makes it non-flickering and thus effectively protecting your eyes. There are a variety of options to suit your mood. From cozy nights to bright and clear mornings, you'll be able to set an ambience to match your needs. The Realme Smart Bulb even support Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. So maybe you're just chilling on your couch or making your favorite gajar ka halwa and your hands are not free. You can simply call the voice assistant and have the lights change according to your needs. Further, we will also have Realme Link support to give users more functions like adjusting brightness, color, making light groups, choosing between many preset moods we have, or customize a mood setup according to your personalized needs. We've built the Realme Smart Bulb also to be extremely reliable, featuring a lifespan of up to 13 years. It also supports a wide voltage input and has surge protection built right in. The body is also made up of high temperature flame retardant materials for all-round safety. So now it's time to announce the price. So how should we price these amazing products? The Realme Smart Bulb that supports 16 million colors and a wide range of color temperatures with support for Alexa and Google Assistant and a lifespan of up to 13 years comes with 2 full years of warranty. It'll be available in 9 watt and 12 watt variants. So the 9 watt variant of the Realme Smart Bulb will be priced at only rupees 799. And the 12 watt variant will be priced at only rupees 999. First sales start at 12 p.m. 30th March and will be available on Flipkart, Realme.com, Amazon, and also very soon in stores near you. Moving on to the Realme Smart Scale, which features a high precision BIA sensor, ability to detect 16 different health related data, 4 AAA batteries in the box with super high power efficiency, latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology in a trendy blue version in addition to the traditional classic white version. Well, the Realme Smart Scale will go on sale for a price of only rupees 1999. First sales start at 12 p.m. 30th March and will be available on Flipkart, Realme.com, Amazon, and also coming to stores near you very soon. For the next 2 products, the Realme 8 and 8 Pro, I'm as excited as you. So without wasting any more time, let me invite Madhav back to the stage.
Thanks, Sri. Now it's finally time for what you all have been waiting for. The price announcements of Realme 8 and Realme 8 Pro. Before that, I'm excited to inform you that the most affordable TWS with active noise cancellation and bass boost plus tuned by the chain smokers, Realme Buds Air 2 features active noise cancellation, 25 hours of total playback, 10mm diamond glass hi-fi driver, 88 millisecond super low latency, comes in 2 colors, closer black and closer white. The Realme Buds Air 2, the fastest selling TWS buds ever, is ready with enough stock to cater to your long anticipation. The sale starts on 30th of March at 12 noon, priced again at rupees 3,299 only. Get it on Flipkart, Realme.com, and stores near you to get the leading year-on experience. Now let's talk about Realme 8 series. Guys, have you had enough of the anxiety of the small storage with more photos, videos, or more files on WhatsApp, which is what you want to keep? It's time to say goodbye to such anxiety. So for Realme 8 and Realme 8 Pro, I'm proud to announce we start from 128GB only, even with the basic variant. As usual, each of our number series attempts to bring many more innovations to the users. Compared to the Realme 7, the Realme 8 is slimmer and lighter with the new gorgeous infinite bold designs. It comes with a Super AMOLED screen with the most preferred in-display fingerprint sensor. Multiple flaunting camera features like tilt shift photography available on expensive DSLR only, and the new Starry mode, and the seamless Realme UI 2.0 out of the box. It also features 30-watt dart flash charge and a massive 5000 milliamp hour battery with a powerful MediaTek Helios G95 gaming processor. It will come with 3 variants: 4GB plus 128GB, 6GB plus 128GB variant, and 8GB plus 128GB variant in 2 different colors, Cyber Silver and Cyber Black. The Realme 8 4GB plus 128GB variant is priced at rupees 14,999 only. 6GB 128GB variant is priced at rupees 15,999. And the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at rupees 16,999. First sale starts at 12 noon on 25th March and will be available on Flipkart, Realme.com and stores nearby you. Now, it's time for Realme 8 Pro. In comparison to Realme 7 Pro, the Realme 8 Pro is much slimmer, lighter, with the eye-catching unique infinite starry design. Realme's first 108 megapixel camera with multiple world's first camera features like 3x in-sensor zoom, tilt shift time-lapse video, starry time-lapse video, as well as the Realme UI 2.0 out of the box as well. The price will also surprise you more than Realme 7 Pro. Equipped with a Super AMOLED screen with again your favorite in-display fingerprint sensor and always on display 50-watt Super Dart charge that can charge your phone fully in only 47 minutes. Realme 8 Pro comes in 2 different variants, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB variant, in 2 gorgeous colors, Infinite Black and Infinite Blue. So how much should we price it in a most democratized way? Well, the Realme 8 Pro 6GB plus 128GB variant is priced at rupees 17,999 only. 8GB plus 128GB variant is priced at rupees 19,999 only. Again, for those who hate to wait, first sale will start tomorrow itself at 12 noon within 24 hours and will be available on Flipkart, Realme.com and stores near you. I am also glad to announce that we'll also have the limited edition for the Realme 8 Pro, the Illuminating Yellow. We have got another great news for the Realme fans today. The Realme upgrade program now comes to Realme 8 Pro as well. It enables you to get your hands on the all-new Realme 8 Pro by paying only 70% of the cost. After a year, you can either pay the balance or upgrade your Realme 8 Pro to the latest smartphone as per the plan. Again, by paying only 70% of the price. The real upgrade program will be available in the stores near you. It will also be available on Flipkart under the name of Flipkart Smart Upgrade Program during the first sale at the cost of rupees 11 only, and you can still avail the bank offer and the no-cost EMI on top of it, making it further more affordable. With the real upgrade program, the Realme 8 Pro 6GB 128GB will cost you rupees 12,599 only. And 8GB 128GB version will cost you 13,999 only. Hope you like all our products today. And don't miss the first sales to get first hands-on experience to capture infinite with the fantastic 108 megapixel camera. We'll see you soon. And oh wait, a big surprise is coming your way. We are going to give away 108 Realme 8 Pro soon after the launch. Keep checking our social media handle for more details. Thank you and good night.
Realme Dare to Leap.
Realme 8 Pro, 108 megapixels, capture infinity. Realme, dare to leap.
Realme 8. In style, capture infinity. Realme Dare to Leap.
Realme 8 Pro, 108 megapixels, capture infinity. Realme, dare to leap.
More pixels for better clarity. More pixels for cinematic portrait. More pixels, yet lighter and slimmer. More pixels to capture the night. Presenting Realme 8 and Realme 8 Pro. Capture infinity with 108 megapixel camera. Realme Dare to Leap.